That last little 2-pounder was caught on a JMC bait, little super worm. We're gonna go ahead and give her another try here. So we got a 2-aught hook.
See how you hook it up?
So you want to take it here, go right through the top, go down about 1/2 inch or so, bring it up to the top of the 2-aught. And then we'll poke it through like that. Keep it completely weedless. And let's go ahead and cast her out and see if we can get another bite. Yes!
Yeah!
Dude, that is a hog! With the bead, homeboy Eric just pulls up a 7-pound bass out of Palo Verde.
Yeah, buddy. He's a healthy buddy. Fat.
This is how we,
possibly pregnant.
this is what we do with our bass around here. You release them so you can catch them next year. It's about 1.5 pounds bigger. Fishing's the perfect sport for social distancing. We're a good 25 feet apart. Catching fish, having fun, chilling the lake, sun's going down.